Orion sunshade. Here's a very interesting fact. Cars spend only about 5% of their time on the road during their whole service life, which means that they spend 95% of their time parked. We all know very well that sun's rays can damage the interior surfaces of the car. Prolonged exposure to the sun can significantly accelerate the wear process. People who really love their cars install special covers on the windshield, but the rest usually forget about this, especially because these covers are pretty uncomfortable. But here's a solution to this problem, developed by the Australian company Fledge Technology. Orion Sunshade is a windshield cover with a clever design. First of all, it takes up almost no space when it's not being used. It even fits in the glove compartment or the cup holder. Another advantage is that it can be easily installed in an instant. The curtain folds and unfolds on its own. You just have to press the right button. The Orion Sunshade is suitable for all cars. Before the first use, you have to adjust the size though. The device will protect the interior from the sun and overheating, and won't fall off the window while the car is left unattended. The minimum price of this device is $79. Hand coffee. If you're a big fan of coffee but you don't have time to brew a fresh cup in the morning, then the next invention is perfect for you. Hand Coffee Auto is an amazing coffee machine that fits in the palm of your hand, connects to the cigar lighter socket, and can be used on the road. It needs from 2 to 4 minutes to prepare a cup of hot, fragrant coffee. The manufacturer offers several models, which can use coffee pods or coffee capsules. In addition, you can buy reusable plastic capsules, which you can refill at home. In this case, with the help of Hand Coffee Auto, you can also brew cocoa or even hot tea on the go. The prices range from $97 to $192 depending on the configuration. Motor mood. Sometimes when you're driving, you want to thank another driver. For example, for giving you way, for turning off the blinding headlights, or for reminding you that the traffic light is already green. Sadly, communication between road users is very complicated and almost impossible. But Motor Mood is here to solve this situation, at least partially. This is a small smiley face that you can attach to the rear window of your car. If you want to thank the driver behind you, just press a button on the remote control. The smiley face lights up, drawing attention and cheering up other drivers and you. The built-in suction cup doesn't leave any traces on the glass either. You can choose from 3 colors: blue, green, and pink, that change in a matter of seconds. Sendida Clean Gel. It is no secret that it's not so easy to keep the car interior tidy, at least because of the large number of hard-to-reach places. Fortunately, this gel comes to the aid. It's environmentally friendly, changes its shape right in your hands, and gets into even the narrowest gaps and joints. The gel collects dust and crumbs, leaves no traces, and at the same time it doesn't stick to the hands. Sendida Clean Gel is enough for several weeks of use, and is also ideal for cleaning keyboards and remote controls. You can buy it for $6. Landmodo Vast Pro. The next device on our list will take ride safety to a whole new level. That's because it's a smart camera that greatly enhances the driver's view. The fact is that the low beam lights the road at a distance of 60 meters, while the high beams reach 80 meters. But the Landmodo Vast Pro allows you to see at a distance of up to 300 meters. It means that in an emergency situation, you have an extra 2 or 3 seconds to react. First of all, the device is a night vision camera, but in practice it has many more uses. Thus, the Landmodo Vast Pro improves visibility in bad weather. Driving in fog, heavy rain or snow will be a lot less dangerous. The monitor is attached to the dashboard or windshield, so it's always in front of your eyes. It is noteworthy that the angle of view of the front camera is 45 degrees, while the rear camera reaches 170 degrees. If you leave it on while you're away, you can see if someone scratches on the bumper and how. You can buy the device for at least $220. Go Far Ray. Did you know that the amount of fuel consumed depends very much on how you drive? Well, Ray from the Australian company Go Far will allow you to get the most out of your trips, while spending as little money as possible. It consists of a diagnostic scanner, which is connected to the car, and a special color indicator. While driving, the device constantly analyzes the internal systems of the car and tells you in real time how to drive better. If the device lights up blue, you're doing everything right. A red light indicates that you're not using fuel efficiently and you're wasting money. Slowly but steadily, Ray corrects the driver's behavior and teaches them to intuitively drive better and to save money. An additional benefit is the detailed mobile application that records and stores driving parameters, allowing you to track your progress. The device costs $50, but it pays off really quickly, as it helps you to save from $150 to $300 per year. Steelmate eBat ET101. And here's another gadget that allows you to stay safe and at the same time save money. As you know, tires have a certain recommended pressure. First of all, the controllability of the car depends on having that right pressure. Secondly, lack of pressure in the tires makes the engine run more intensively, consuming more fuel. So the lack of even 0.5 atmosphere units will burn an extra litre of gasoline every 100 kilometers. A special pressure sensor will help you prevent this. There are many models on the market. For example, the Steelmate eBat ET101 or the Astro AI ATG150. Both of them are small, fit into the glove compartment, and show the right pressure in just a few seconds. The built-in flashlight allows you to operate the gadget even at night. The price is about $20. ARB Tread Pro. We have reached today's last device. This time we have an invention that will help you get out of the sand or the mud if you get stuck. Of course, modern off-road cars have everything you need to move equally well on any type of terrain, including tough ones. However, anything can happen, so it's very important to be ready for any situation. Tread Pro is a recovery board from the Australian company ARB. One side can be used as a shovel. The other side has a relief surface and small spikes that give the tires the grip they need to move forwards. The developers highlight the extreme durability and wear resistance of the Tread Pro, thanks to which the device can be used more than once. A set of 2 recovery boards will cost you a minimum of $287.